You know, as I sit here getting ready to go to the hike in Duck Creek, Duck Lake, something, um, I started looking at myself as I was recording some videos, and I noticed my face is definitely not as full, which is good. This is how I know I can tell you that my diet and exercise has been working, and getting out has been helping, and I feel less stressed. I look less stressed. Stay blessed. Well, we made it. We're starting our hike, and I highly doubt I'll get lost. It's pretty straightforward. It's just walking, right? So we've gotten here to the Duck Creek Nature Preserve on our little hike. And the first person I run into says, "Be careful out there." Be careful. It's just woods. What could be out here? Bigfoot? We've heard the stories. Bigfoot in Michigan. He doesn't exist though in here. I don't know if he exists, period. I'm going to go on so many hikes, if I don't see him, nobody's going to see him. And that's fine with me. I'm not itching to see a big 8-foot, 600-pound freak of nature. It's not my idea of fun. But again, we're out here, we're going to do this for some fitness and for some fun. Maybe we can, it's a little too cold to probably see anything very much as far as habitat of these animals. They're all kind of still, besides these squirrels and deer, maybe bear. Maybe that's what she meant. I don't know. But again, this right here is for me and my logs. I guess that's why they call it a vlog for a reason, right? Video, a log, something like that, right? This is for me. Other people as well. I hope it reaches enough to where somebody else can be inspired to get something done for themselves and maybe do something they've always wanted to do, or figure out something they can do to help their own mental health. Mine's not a crisis, okay? So I was in that mode a few weeks ago where nothing made sense. Stuff still doesn't make sense in the world, but you can only control what you can control, and don't worry about the stuff you can't control, as we said time after time. But nonetheless, we're out here getting a little exercise in. And you know what? I look forward to going back to the gym. So we're going to do this little hike, enjoy a little bit of nature. I'll catch up with you guys in a second. And our next location, maybe we'll get to some water here soon. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Well, here's the next part of our adventure, for sure. We found a little bridge. So let's go. Now it's probably a little too cold to see much of what I want to see, but I'm sure there's plenty of water snakes throughout this area from time to time. They're very interesting. I actually used to go and catch those. My dad used to take me over in Blue Lake Township And that was very fun. But one of my favorite places to go is the Outdoor Discovery Center. And that's got a lot of water. There we go. Just more water. Surrounded. Very cool. So here's my truck. We made it. There we are. We made it. And many more adventures. Next week, likely Rosemount. I've been wanting to go back there for a while, but I really can't wait till it gets warmer because the Outdoor Discovery Center is where it's at. But here I am. There's my truck. Stay blessed.